Hey out there on YouTube, this is Brian Ramirez with Tech of Tomorrow. I've got another unboxing for you. This is the Razer Orochi Black Chrome Edition Mobile Gaming Mouse. Let's go ahead and open it up and take a look. Here's the front of the box, the sides, the back, and the other side. As you can see, there's lots of documentation on what this mouse does. It's a 4000 DPI mouse. It's really sensitive and is designed particularly for gaming. It can be both wired or wireless, so it's got your dual functionality, Bluetooth 2.0 connectivity, and is both PC and Mac compatible. So now let's open it up and take a look. Okay, let me open it up for you. Just pop this top flap here open. These are your accessories. Okay. And as you can see, there's the mouse itself. I'll get it out of the plastic shell here. And there's the mouse itself. All nice, shiny, and black. Comes with a protective cover on the bottom. As you can see, you have a button down here. I believe that's to change your DPI settings. As you can see, it's a scroll mouse. Has buttons on both the right and the left side. And it looks like it will probably work for either a left or a right-hander. Let's take a look at the accessories that come with it. This is all your documentation that comes with the mouse itself. Warranty information, certificate of authenticity, a master guide for both PC and Mac, and a sticker. You've got a pouch that comes with it as well. Comes with 2 AA batteries. And your connectivity cable. And there you have it. That has been the unboxing of the Razer Orochi Black Chrome Edition Mobile Gaming Mouse. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.